Oh, it should be live now. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it should be live. Please tell me how you hear me. Like the stream. And new people who are not watching like the stream.
Huh?
Kažem, and new people who are not watching like the stream.
That's good.
That's good. But
What should have got?
out.
That's
Please like on YouTube, please like on YouTube, please like on YouTube if you didn't like.
Yeah, excellent.
Propose. Thank you. Okay, it's working. Pop out chat, please. Thank you. This. Okay, hello, people of the YouTube and Twitch. Just a second, I need to. How do you say continue? Continuing or continuing?
Continuing.
Continuing, yes. Continuing the work on my compiler. I'm working on the Steam. There you go, Steam. Oh, wrong button. That was the wrong. Just a second, there. I put accidentally the wrong link on Discord and I this and should publish this. No problem. Testing 1, 2, 3. God knows what I made wrong. What I made wrong. What I did wrong. Wait,
Nothing.
That's why I'm fine. That should. See, that's okay. That's good. OCaml. Flares, live stream apply post. So share I just need to do all the beer shit and then I can we can work well the viewers in quotation marks get here. Hello Jack, what you doing? I hope you're okay. Right.
Hello, Jack.
Hello. It's gonna be a normal language. I don't know. So I guess not. No, I'm not really sure what a functional language is. I'm still iffy about that. That terminology. Functional programming language. I mean, it's probably somewhere in the middle. it's gonna be what I like the best from all the languages all into one, and then we hope it's gonna work out fine. I don't know if you caught anything from the last one, but we have this example. Yeah, I'm probably. Well, we can do it's on YouTube, you can find it. The links in the Discord chat work, so you can watch it. It's gonna look like this for now. And so we have constant variables, mutable variables, and we have this alpha print, which is gonna be a built-in function for just printing before I actually try to implement any of that correctly. So it's probably gonna be it. There for a while with us alpha print. For now we only have the lexer, which all of this is written in OCaml.
Did you send?
No. It's gonna have braces. There is the example. I mean, it's gonna have braces for scopes and stuff. Probably also for FN function. A native group of file. Are you sure you don't want to make a native group of file? I mean, it's probably gonna be like this: function name hard, like this, like a normal in quotation mark programming. What do you mean by a native group or file? I feel like they work better when I just have the headphones on. I feel smarter. It's probably gonna look like that, yeah. It will have some braces. Yeah, it's you mean something like you want like alpha print and then like this, you mean that? Is that what you mean? Well, the reason why it works in a weird way like this is because I still haven't implemented things like braces, brackets, I don't know what the fuck these are. And this is just a built-in, or it's a temporary. It's gonna look better. I mean, in the future, yes, it's gonna be like this. But for now, I don't want to do that much work for something that just supposed to help me debug.
I'm actually listening to a sleep.
Good. I need this. I feel I speak quieter then. So this is just like a debug while I implement everything else in the language, and then I'm hopefully gonna have. Okay, I can't hear myself with this one. I don't know why. Then later we're gonna implement an actual function for like printing, because that, as we talked before, requires sys calls and stuff, and I don't want to implement all of that right away, so I'm just gonna implement it in assembly and then directly call it, and after that it's gonna be fine-ish. We're gonna do that. Yes.
Which one is the Steam exe? Can you help me?
Just a second, Jack. What do you mean?
What's the Steam launcher?
Fuck, 64 launcher, you see? I don't know. Probably that. Try it. Run it and then see if it has that. I don't know. I'm back. So I decided to write in OCaml. This is the second day I've been writing in it, or I guess technically the third day, but the second awake day. I've only heard of it, and I've seen like one video Yes, I love to. What is it? How do you say? Da ne radiš nešto drugo, da radi nešto drugo novije kao. I love to procrastinate. That's what I love to do. So new languages are great for me. And so I tried writing it in this. I like it very much. And I want the language to be as good as this. This is a typed language, but there is 0 types written here. It's so smart. So I want to build something like that. Hopefully, we'll try our best. Oof, I forgot how to swallow for a second. I forgot how to swallow. I couldn't swallow. I was like, what the fuck?
Ne može
Bacio sam.
lakše.
Ne. As you can see, it still has typing, but it's all implicitly done. So it's smart enough to find everything, all the types it needs. This is the only type I said that I explicitly stated, because, of course, this is the only explicit type I said, because this location and this struct have a similar field, so it thought it was this struct, which I don't mind. It's smart enough. Other than that, there is 0 types written there. It's just like, we know what it is. So that's what I'm gonna try and do. Try and make, at least. Let's see. So, it's fucking awesome. Don't exact people. For now, we just have Alexa, which outputs the next and a function that's next token, and it outputs it, and then we recursively call it here until we. In Rust, you have to specify all the types. As like return, it's much higher level. Like in Rust, you have to specify it. I mean, for functions and stuff, yes. Here, I haven't specified one type in a function. It knows that this is Alexa, that this is an option of int. Yeah, that's sure. Yes, it can get this way. That is true. But here, I never said that this is this type, or that this is an option of an int, or that this is an int and this is the lector, or stuff like that. I wanted that ability. So start is an option and lecture is lecture. Location is the location in the file. So when we have create a token, I save the info so you can debug it and just go to the type for each token. That's where I ended last trim on, because I couldn't get it, make it work, but I just needed to reload the editor. So, which I didn't know I had to do, but I guess I have to. Every now and then it just breaks itself, and it's like, nah, I don't know what to do. Gonna do this because we need it. But yeah, so yeah, we have this. We have just the next token. It gives us a token, and then we go recursively to every token, and then if we match an invalid, we say, hey, there's an error. If it's an end of file, we just plop out, and otherwise we recursively call it. There are while loops and for loops, but they're mostly not used in this language. Like, they said you should use recursive functions when you can, and you like most of the time, so that's cool, I guess. I guess they implemented a good way to do it without, making a giant stack. which I don't know how to do truthfully, but they sure do. I also think it's a bit weird, but then again, yeah, I mean, there are of course for loops and stuff, but they are usually not used. Like sometimes they are used, but it's like if you but in the documentation I read, it was like if you see an operator, a for loop or a while loop, don't trust it. So I guess that's that. Yeah, it outputs are contents of the file. I mean, it certainly has that bit because I don't know. I mean, it has iterators and stuff that you just no. I'm sorry. It does have iterators. And you could use them. You should, I guess, use them. But you shouldn't use for loops and while loops to do stuff, mostly by just recursive functions. But yes, there is like, for example, list for all, and then you can pass a function and stuff like that. But it's like if you want to try to do something in a for loop where you don't know how long or short it is, just use like a recursive function and that's it. Let's see. Today I wanted to work on the as I said the oh my fucking god the AST, the abstract syntax 3. I don't know how to say any of these 3 words, but it's going fine for now. Abstract syntax 3. 3. I always get broken. So, the way I would usually do it, and the way we are gonna do it, because I have zero clue how it's actually done, but I know how I do it and how it works when I do it. Is we are gonna go through each of the tokens in the lexer, and for example, if we see a const, then we know, okay, this should be followed by a ident, and then either a semicolon or a, and then equals, and then a value, and then a semicolon, like that probably, or I guess an expression. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go through each token and then just, okay, if we find this token, we match on it and see, okay, if it's a const or a let, we make this. If it's a ident, then it should either be followed again by this or an equal sign to something, and so on and so forth. And then after we build the syntax tree, we can I guess translate it to assembly and be done with it and hopefully run it. We shall see how it's gonna go. So let's see. What's a good name for it? Just a second. I know I have to. Plus. I just need to find out. Yeah. Okay, just a second. We pass. Okay, I guess that's how we're gonna do it. CD. And then all this. Okay, fine. So we are gonna have our AST. So neither of those in, and in I like to actually say it's yeah. So we know what we're working with, what we need. So we are gonna have, I guess, a general expression. So we are gonna do this. So each file is a separate module, like in Rust, you know, and you can have submodules. And usually, when a module exports a default type, that type is just called T. Why? I don't know. That's how they do it in the OCaml land. It's a weird thing, but I guess it works, so I don't mind. Now, we are gonna have so this is like an enum in Rust, where you say, okay, this is the name of the enum, and then you say which it is. You can have an empty enum, like again you can have in Rust, or you can say it's of something, and then you can have, I guess, tuples with an asterisk in the middle, and then you can destruct it like this in here. So for now we're gonna have a few different types of expression. I would like to say that this is a hell, sign expression. What would this expression name be? Do you have an idea for a name? This would be a sign, real, initialize, nice, sign, expression. I have zero clue, I don't know. I suck at naming things. You can go ahead how I named it in last objective stuff. So 5/4. Which rewrite or just so source tokenizers statement function declare a variable to declare variables. Which makes sense. I was smarter then than I'm now. Declare declare of, and then we are gonna have what? For a declaration we need to know if it's a constant, so is const is gonna be a bool. Then next we have name, which is gonna be paper. How do you say that? Let's see. Like I said, token. This is a good question. How would I do even item? Well, let's see. So now I'm just gonna do a string, I guess. Then we are gonna have is that. Do I want to have do I want to split this into declare and assign maybe? Sign. So this would be the declare and this would be assign. I don't know. I did split it like that before, but I don't know if that's smart or stupid. I don't know. Do you have any ideas, Jack? My one and only follower. Let's think about this. I think it would be better to do like this time. Oh crap, are you okay? What? Don't say my bad, you got a bloody nose. I know how it feels, not because I get it, but because my girlfriend gets it all the time. Bloody nose.
Do you have a bloody nose?
No, he had a bloody nose.
Are you okay?
I hope you're better now. Okay. I'm trying to figure out the name for each expression. For example, this, how should I call it? Like initialize, assign, declare, or something. And then I thought maybe I should divide it into declare and then assign. Watch it.
What do you think?
Oh, I don't have
What?
a clue. I'm fine with either. Maybe I could do it in different of what. I need to know to what I'm assigning. What I'm assigning. Name. And then value is gonna be some expression t, because yeah. And then let's auto format. Win for the auto formatter. That's like two birds with one stone, I guess. Oh. What? Here's zero clue.
Maki, set everything up like me. I have a lot of things.
No problem. Now play some Sims while I do this shit. That should all be kept in scope, but set it at init. I mean, I will declare it, which means I will say memory for it, and then I will assign something to it. Can you explain what you exactly mean? Sometimes even I don't follow what I say, so I'm sorry. No, thank you. Just enjoy your... Say what you meant. I'm fairly lost with myself today for some reason, but
I'm sorry.
Okay, see you then, Jack. Bye bye. Think of this. We have declare, assign.
Si Minecraft iz Microsoft Store, jel?
No. Ti se možeš, hoćeš, ali ne moraš. Bude koristeno sa njihovog sajta.
Aha, ima svog sajta. Breakpoint.
Yes.
Sve se osjeta brže.
Pa nekaj čud.
I'm so cute. Oh!
Good. Let's think of this identity. I think it should be a literal rather than an int. Or maybe... Let's think. No int. Oh no, there's only int now. I thought I was thinking of And do I do? Well, I'm gonna sign, but what should I sign it to? I think it's a literal of type. Uh, print or print to print or link to print. Oh, what mate? Literal person is int.
Abi bir
Nothing. Oh. Should yes. Syntax error. I can't wait to find out what the syntax error is. Oh. I mean, I don't know how this makes sense. Maybe I'm not able. Ah, fuck you. Ah, it's so lit. Lit. What I'm going to do something else. Okay, good to know. So you can have a above tabs. Right? I don't know. But you can have true. Let's think of this. That's the term. Parallel. Let's see. And then this literal. Uh, fucking love. Let's think. I should have parser. Is it a parser? I'm not 100% sure. Actually. The program is equal to program is a is less than. Can I do it? Okay, I'll be back in a second.
Okay.
Right.
Huh?
No.
Aha. Polako, no moleko.
I'm back. Let's think fell open. So program is literally just a list of all the top level. I'm talking to the thing, explaining shit.
So I can listen to stuff, right?
Of course. So a program is literally just a list of all the top level expressions / instructions / stuff. Should I also, contain the tokens here or not? I don't know. Probably. Probably, yeah, sure. Fuck. Let's think of this. So, I still don't know what the difference between expression and state is. Expression, state. Statements create side effects, while expressions are also executed live.
Here, what? Why did you click?
I don't know why it crashed. Literal suppress opens what effective function pause. For example, statements on the other hand are everything else they go. Python format expressions and sentences false. All the above are expressions. But which way is the above? This is expressions and this is statements. Eh. So let's say has what? All there's struct. A semicolon. Yeah. I feel like that's too much for me. I don't want to think over it. Two statements, select statement, a return statement, question statement. Very weird. Think about this. Identifier. Show should type identifier. I'm doing the wrong thing.
Shopper.
Local light binding, I guess. Okay. Special with semicolon. Sorry, I'm so confused. Take out everything. Arrow state. I'm so confused. Expression for that statement. That's what I'm so confused about. Okay.
Marco,
Yes,
it detected automatically.
better. Let's think this. So, okay. What should it be here? Once I will do it the correct way, I guess. Expression, literal, yes, expression, literal string. Base source, literal representation, it has a token as yes, off. Yeah. This place, and then we need a type, which is gonna be so open thing, and then a value. So this way, but it's weird. Okay. Oof. Just open, and then is constant to the bottom declara declaration identity identifier not identity. I mean sure identity too, but identifier is more what you want here. Let's see next. Declaration assigning, so again identifier and then a value which is okay, fine, and then an equals this. Okay. Yep, literal is I can have a token, then the value of literal size. Right, so it's gonna be token, just token the value lit, and then we can have int here without the voice. Do we need anything else? I don't think so for now, at least. Let's add to parser. No. This okay, yes. Let's see. Well, see, it's gonna have Alexa. Do you want parser to have just a big ass function that returns the ISD? The program, I guess. Maybe? So let parse Alexa to let's open let's. Then a list of actually, okay. Let's see. So parse, which is token, and then match token with and dot its const, then we should do parse parse declaration, text vector, token, and it does continue. Declaration. Ooh! I hear again.
What happened?
I hear again.
That's very awesome voice set in.
Everything is already glass now.
No, for the
How do I do that?
That's in a option.
Thank you, you're ready. So here we need so we're gonna have something like next token that expect token. No, token. Token. Left token. The next token lapse in match dot token dot what we need to match token dot. That's not name, but my brain is slow today. Time. And then token types. Let's think about this. So left is let's see. Touch token. Mouse. Supposed this is gonna be G. If How do I throw errors? I don't want to throw errors. So if movement works, let's look and type. Then so no. Yeah. So MLI. The 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 oh oh this way. With lights. Could I just throw an arrow? That might be better. How to throw an arrow in? How to throw an arrow? It's raise, probably. Yeah, raise. Deception. Now let's see next. Deception. Oh. Sorry. Deception. Unexpected. Broken. Off. And then. Yeah, fine. Whatever you say. But will be interesting on Luxor here. What do I have? Maybe it's just how do I? Exception. So if this exception is it? So it is race. Is Look. No. No. Tournaments. There's one here. One day I will figure all of this out. Yes.
Hockey,
Yes.
surprise, surprise.
Oh, I want that surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like it. With an exception. I'm sorry, I need to publish a bit to you guys. So let's see. Invalid arguments fail with this fact. This errors printing. Exception. This says it was not driven for simple notion. Even connection.
Pregnancy? Marco.
Oka. Yeah.
Fuck. We might be pregnant now.
Oh no. Not me, I'm telling the viewers, not me, the Sims that my girlfriend is playing.
Yes. So.
Not much.
Oh God, that's scary.
And now.
Marco, look, he's smoking. I'd be smoking as well.
Yeah. Tab. All. Done. So token type.
Yay!
This is a.
Not.
Okay, and this all should be it. Was it should be this? Run. I'm so stupid. Let's figure this bit out. Sections. Entre. Phone protect. Reference exceptions. Printing. Ventilation. Like this. Arrays. If fuck. It's come on. Except also break transition type button T. I'm so not sure what this means. Type all. It's gonna be without this. It does more fucking asshole. I was like, what the hell did it do? I was worried for nothing, don't worry. Parse declaration, token, switch file declaration token. Let's look at this shit. Declaration token with identity. Accept. So now next token should be either let me it's hard to pick. Fuck. Let me put to record everything. That's easy. So I'm gonna have to save this. And not just this, everything. So let's all start with it. So it's all of these characters. Look at this, immutable. Let's yeah. I have the token. Okay. Now I'm just gonna do this, which is gonna be this is gonna be lecture that hash this and then this. We're gonna return the token. Pick token and just return. Yeah. Right. Let's see what this is. So it's what? And then it's still a island match. So I really kinda like and kinda hate I have this weird thing here. That's fine. It's open. So that it's so much big open way. So if it's that. Or should I just do next to it because there's only I'm thinking, sorry. Because there's no need to pick it here. And I should just match it. So if it's one of those, so next. Okay. Let's see, so if it's semicolon, then just column. That's gonna be ST. Still T should be. Flare of island. That's location. Location and then so. Well, let's be next. And next. And it's also not this, it's this. Cool. Declaration, I don't be able to open and okay, sure as well. A perfect declaration with one open and open declaration. Jest notable.
Gdzie była matka szedł z miasta.
Zastąpiłem twoją notable. Tak. To jest notable. Już. Think of this. Beyond. Not really sure, but broken. It is this something. Let's see. So we have token and value. Value match. I don't. Wait. What did I want just now? YouTube. How did I do that? I'm so confused. Token island. Value and trouble. Is there some unreachable thing? Like there is just unreachable. OCaml. Trouble. First boss, it should was just unreachable. I got some four. That value. Yeah.
Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
The plan is the finder. So identity, so let's see, I declare declaration. No, ident. Choose of type token and value. There is token which is on. It's name I guess. Oh my fucking god. So
we got engaged,
that's good.
and that's very fun.
Yeah.
Now we can pay our bills.
No.
What?
No bills, please. I know, I'm joking.
Okay.
Fine. So there should be a name. This next button here. I feel like name is better. Do I like value? I think it should be maybe name. I feel like that makes more somehow sense. Not that any of this makes sense. Parse declaration. Let's stop now. Sure. Good. Well, it's but cell is the EFG. front of the list. Append operator comma. I think this more or probably any of this because it's smart enough now. I'll do this like this. This is now returning is the list. If it's not a semicolon, doesn't mean I mean, okay. Token assign. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? I'm thinking. Dot. I don't know what I'm thinking. Dot. Pop. I'm thinking a lot. Thinking. A lot. What? Book sound. And then declare. Can I append to another like this? No. So it's gonna be left words in, and then we go. So declare is gonna be assigned, which saves like 300 different other things. Ident, which is this thing. So same thing. Value, which is gonna be token. Which is gonna be next. Look, should be a token or should be an AST? Since it's an AST, so it's gonna be an next. So, boss. And parse. Well, parse, yeah. Parse selection and then semicolon equals, which is gonna be next. Parse. Oh crap, reflection. That's one reflection. Full functions on and of course it's because mm, so it return just one. Or should I call it next expression? Just return one and then parse can have all of them. Maybe. Uh, yeah. Yeah, this should not return that. This should return one. And then none. None. But this sun. What? Gonna return what? Return salmon is gonna return. The times talking to yes. Match what sum can't have a different paragraph. Can I? Can I say? That I should pick it. How do I? Because I would need the name to. Or do I want to have something like declaredness? Yeah, declare and assign. Maybe that's the best. Because otherwise they have a weird ass token tree. Declare assign. Assign. Declare assign. Assign.
Oh my god! My sim is pregnant!
Again. Relationship because before.
She was not pregnant.
Cool.
Gay person.
Yeah.
Or married. I don't know if they get married.
So value. Shoot. One, five, another or still hard and it's fine, I think. So what we said is gonna be next open. Then let's see, it's gonna be split. Otherwise, it's gonna be and clear. Stand by the side. Okay. Still big flower. Why? Oh, does it? Well, it should be smart enough to know that this is all like this. Sorry. Side. Notable. Little. So it's, I guess, next is the question mark. Yes, it is. Yes, makes sense. Let's think about this. Let's copy paste this here. It's here. And comment this out. Yep. Okay. Just for better typing, I'm just not gonna do that. This, that's it. Makes sense. Next, let's see. What should I do? search for something. Um, so we got okay. This one just type definitions. At the end, I guess then. And then sex then do that. More. Functional, not. What is it? Oh. So just by this. Stop the processor. Exports, fields. So none of that. That's good. I guess. Guess that doesn't. Yeah. Now let's see. Well, Guilty as and and then one. Percentage of string. Percent F.
What is the
Of course, even more. I don't mind. F. Oh, go and two flags. Percentage. So that's use for printer. Shift vector. String. Escape character. Floating point. Wait, there's some kind of format. Right. Match. Yes, yes. Correct.